to share some great news with you. I'm pretty excited because I cracked the $500 mark with OLSP. And in case you don't know what OLSP is, it is a free system where basically your one and only job is to share a free Facebook group where people can get free list building training as well as 100 free solo ads clicks. And after this, your job is done and you can earn commission from ongoing live trainings, webinars, recurrings, high tickets, traffic purchases. And yeah, the earning potential is unlimited. And you see I've earned $530 by now. Let's see what it is. By the way, they pay out each and every Monday, okay? There's no threshold or whatever. They pay out every Monday to your PayPal, okay? And what you can see here is my last commission was from a traffic package that someone bought whom I invited into the group. And the one before was from a live webinar training where someone bought a product there. And all of this without having to do any selling myself. And this is what I really love about this system. Another great feature of this system is that we have kind of a secret system inside to boost the reach of our Facebook posts, to make our Facebook posts go viral. And these $500 here, I've made them almost all from free Facebook traffic. And we show you exactly how you can do this inside the system and inside the training. So guys, if you're interested in making commissions like this without selling, without telling, just for sharing our free group, you can join. As I said, it's free, no investment required to earn commissions. I will leave a link somewhere above or below, and you can just join for free, look if this is for you, and start earning. I am super excited about the system, and I personally believe that this will get epic in 2021. So I'm happy that I am in there already. And yeah, do yourself a favor, join us. If you have any question about this, just let me know down below in the comments, okay? Or message me privately. And I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye bye.